In many cases, you want to reuse your profile for similar or the same application but different input signals. So it might not be a good idea to use signals from the signal tree directly inside your profile. That's why we have placeholders. As you can see under the input signal, you can also define a speed signal. We will take the speed signal calculated in our virtual module. When we now open the profile configuration, then we will see that we can directly select the speed as a placeholder. The input now is taken from the signal, and if you change the signal, you don't have to change anything inside your profile. We here select the speed, and as we can see, here we also have a second peak moving around. It also seems to be speed dependent. This seems to be something like a blade passing frequency. So we want to define a second marker at this location. Now we can define as placeholder the number of blades of our fan. Here we don't need any default values because we can set it from the outside. We now return to the markers and calculate our blade passing frequency. Therefore, we again enter the expression builder, select our speed signal and multiply it by the number of blades. Now we have the speed signal and the blade passing frequency configured as a marker. We now return to the general settings for the module, and there we will see that under the profile we now have the option to enter the number of blades. We will select our second virtual module that contains the number of blades of our fan. We now apply the configuration to our server. We will see that we now have two markers moving around speed dependent. In our case, the number of blades is 6. So the blade passing frequency is our speed signal multiplied by 6. And as you can see, we here have the name of our marker, and next to it we have the actual frequency value of the marker.